Welcome back to the Miyagi course. In our last lesson, we learned how to increase your productivity by prioritizing tasks and using AI to streamline your workflow. Today, we'll explore how to start a business without money and envision your financial future. Remember, value does not equal money, just like words do not equal knowledge. It's crucial to create value first, then make an offer. Let's dive into the key concepts. First, understand the fundamentals of money and the financial system. Think step by step. From now on, always respond in bullet points unless otherwise directed. Explain to me what money is and how the financial system works in plain English. Next, identify common pitfalls. List the 5 biggest mistakes people can make that cause them to go broke. Then, take practical steps towards financial stability. Let's say I'm broke. I want to be financially stable. What is my next step? Be short. Now, explore how to start a business without any initial capital. Explain in plain English how I can start a business without any money. Finally, generate ideas for monetizing AI. List 10 ideas on how I can make money using AI. By understanding these concepts and leveraging AI, you can start a business with no initial capital and create substantial value. Over 74% of my regular viewers haven't subscribed yet. If my videos have ever brought you value or sparked a new idea, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Your support helps me grow the channel, invite more amazing guests, and create better content for you. Fair? Subscribe now, and let's keep growing together in the next video. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which is always kept up to date with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to create your personal brand and enhance your presence on LinkedIn.